Good evening, everyone. Miss Lindsey Freeman has a bushel of pink eye, purple hull, or green baby llamas, guaranteed fresh shell for Saturday. She has 20 spots at $2 a spot. We're going to copy those 20 items. We're going to go live. We are live just now at 5:09 p.m. 5:09 p.m. We're going to paste our list. We have 20 items, need a 4 or higher on the dice. Going to roll the dice at 5:09 p.m. We have a 5. We're going to do our first random. 5:09 p.m. After the first time, 20 items on the list. Mrs. Kim Maslanka on top, and she's also on bottom. We're going to continue on for 5 times. There's 2, 3, 4. After the 4th time, 20 items on the list. Lisa Myers on top, Deborah Walker on bottom. We've randomized 4 times. Dice calls for 2 and 3, which is 5. Our final random coming at 5:10 p.m. Good luck, everyone. 20 items on the list. Spot 9, Miss Frances Moncrief. You are the winner. We've randomized 5 times. We are done. Final time stamp, 5:10 p.m. 5:10 p.m.